What if the next person preparing your steak isn't a person at all? Meet the AI-powered butcher bots. Robots that slice, dice, and process meat with mind-blowing precision. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. Let's break down how these bots work, who's behind them, and what it means for the future of food. Working in meat processing isn't easy. It's tiring, risky, and there's a huge demand for faster production. That's where robots come in. Across the globe, companies are bringing in robots to do the repetitive, tough work. But meat is tricky. It's soft, irregular, and no two pieces are the same. Regular robots don't do well with that. That's why AI-powered butcher bots were developed. These bots use computer vision and machine learning to understand and handle each piece of meat in detail. They're not just strong, they're smart. That changes the game. They can recognize subtle differences in shape, size, and texture. That means they can make better cuts, save more meat, and waste less. These bots are made to deal with a job that's hard for people, and even harder for older machines. And with rising demand for meat worldwide, the pressure is on to get faster and more efficient. It's not just about doing the job, it's about doing it better. The key part of these bots is their AI brain. They use high-def cameras, LiDAR, and infrared to scan each piece of meat. AI algorithms process this data, figuring out where bones are and how thick each part is. Then, robotic arms with sharp blades follow the best cutting path. They adjust in real time if the meat shifts or varies in size. Some systems can even sort the meat by weight and quality instantly. It all happens faster and more accurately than humans can manage. Their reaction time is milliseconds, and they don't get tired. They can work through thousands of pounds of meat a day without stopping. Plus, they're learning with every cut. AI systems improve over time, getting better at recognizing different cuts and reacting to strange shapes. This makes them more reliable the longer they run. Big companies like JBS, Tyson Foods, and Danish Crown are investing heavily in this tech. Smaller players like Scott Automation, Mayakawa, and Front Maytech are designing the machines and software behind it. Some of these bots can debone chicken wings or slice tuna with almost perfect accuracy. With every upgrade, the bots get faster and better. The competition is fierce. Everyone wants to lead in automating meat processing. And it's not just about meat. The technology here could be used in other industries too, like fish producing or even recycling. Whoever cracks the code on precision cutting and sorting could change a lot more than just dinner. Sure, it's cool tech, but it also has real impacts. Butcher bots can reduce waste by making cleaner cuts. They improve food safety by cutting down on human contact. They help solve labor shortages. Bots don't get tired, don't need breaks, and don't call in sick. And they're consistent, which helps keep quality high. But it doesn't mean human workers are left behind. Many are being retrained to manage, monitor, and maintain the bots. Jobs are shifting from physical labor to technical support. It's a transformation, not a replacement. Plus, with fewer people handling raw meat, the risk of contamination drops. That's good news for health and safety. Still, not everyone's thrilled about this. Unions worry about what happens to workers if automation takes over. Critics say it makes food production feel cold, mechanical, and less human. There are also ethical questions. Should we use powerful AI to make food cheaper and faster? Is that always the right move? What if a robot breaks down mid-task? Can we trust machines with sharp tools in busy, fast-paced environments? These aren't just tech issues, they're social ones. As the bots grow smarter, the debate grows louder. We need answers before the tech becomes too widespread to control. Butcher bots are here, and they're evolving fast. In the future, full meat factories could be AI-run from start to finish. You might get meat delivered to your door, cut and packed without a single human touch. And this doesn't stop at meat. The same systems could prep veggies, slice bread, or even plate meals. Fast food, grocery stores, and even restaurants could all be affected. We're heading toward a world where machines handle more of our food than people do. That's not just a shift, it's a revolution in how we think about food. It's about efficiency, safety, and speed, but also about values. How much do we want machines to take over in the kitchen? What happens when no one remembers how to butcher a steak by hand? The tech is impressive, but the future? That's still being carved. Would you eat food made entirely by robots? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about robot nurse.